x minus 2 upon 3 under square root is equal to 4. How do you solve this? So square root means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So when we want to remove the square root, we square it. That means exponent is also multiplied with 2. So this square root gets removed with this square. So here to simplify it, first we have to remove the square root. So let's square both the sides. X minus 2 upon 3 under square root whole square is equal to 4 square, or remove the square root with the square. X minus 2 upon 3, 4 square is 16, or x minus 2 upon 3, multiply both the sides by 3. So this 3 and 3 gets cancelled, or x minus 2 is equal to 48. Now add both the sides 2. This is called balancing the equation. First we do the reciprocal action. It is minus 2, that's why we added plus 2. And to balance the equation, we do the same thing on the right hand side also. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. 48 plus 2 is 50. Therefore, x is equal to 50. This is our answer. Let's verify this answer. If we put 50 minus 2 upon 3 under square root, 50 minus 2 is 48 upon 3 under square root. 48 divided by 3 is 16. 16 under square root is equal to 4. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 50. Thanks for watching.